how to show line numbers in the editor of your Google Colab. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the line numbers in the editor of your Google Colab. So as you can see right here, I have this notebook open in my Google Colab, and you can see the particular current setup does not gives any line numbers. So in case I get any error at a particular line, I need to find out that manually. So let me show you how to enable line numbers. So for that, head on to the settings gear icon at the top right corner, then click on to editor. Now within editor, you need to scroll down and then select this option which is show line numbers. Make sure that it is ticked up and then click save button. And now you can see all of these line numbers which will appear right here in the Google Colab editor. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to like, subscribe and share our channel. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.